Little tour here of my upgraded workshop. This is my blacksmith workshop, and also like a showcase room. So all these pieces are for sale. Hooks, pipe work, towel rack, stained in beeswax. A little workshop here. Pipe stove. Over here is my finishing bench area. Little project I'm working on with some ironwood. It's on maple. Got a little dice design. Worked out pretty good. This is a little brass thing that I rigged up. Union. This wrench here, this crescent wrench, is made in America. I found it was all bent. Threw it in the forge and straightened it out, cleaned it up. It was all rusted. This is where I do most of my blacksmithing, on this little section here, my anvil. A little temporary hammer rack. Yep, nice place to hang out in the shop on a Saturday night. Little deal that I built a couple years ago. Hand tools only.